you for bringing up the metrics variables. But what are the KPI or key performance indicators do enterprise clients typically track to measure? You have already mentioned actually about the efficiency, productivity, and so on and so forth. But can you please tell us more about this?
So I think in terms of the metric itself, actually it differs across use cases. But I think there are still some consistent patterns that we can distill, definitely for collections or onboarding. So the main metric usually is the cost to outcome. Not just cost, but it's a ratio, cost to outcome. So for example, like in collection, it's usually the cost per dollar. Let's say you want to collect $1. How much are you paying to collect that $1 to have a successful collection? Well, marketing use cases or customer growth, then is a successful acquisition, cost per successful acquisition. Of course, the ratio, we need to have some kind of ratio between the cost and the payoff. And then the other thing is that you need to benchmark against some of your other like alternative channels or human-led approach. So then that will give you a good comparison point. And then you will know whether you are doing well or not. Then the second one, often overlooked, I also briefly already mentioned, is on the time save. Faster onboarding or faster collection isn't just an efficiency gain. It directly impacts how quickly your business can make value out of your customer. You know, so definitely, I also mentioned there's a significant opportunity cost. If you missed out on that, if these journeys are unnecessarily long or unnecessarily complex, so it's not good for your customer experience. It's also not good for you as an organization who is actually hoping to monetize as soon as possible. And then I think the last one, support use case, I would actually isolate it out because I think it's actually quite different from the typical like collection or like customer acquisition. Because for support, I think the focus for success metric is actually on the CSAT, like customer satisfaction score, and then also the average handling time. And then I think increasingly, there's also a third aspect, which is in terms of the business insight that the AI can actually get for you. Very strong ability of AI is actually they are able to analyze and then to categorize and to sort the mass information or mass responses from customer and distill it into high level insights that you can actually have some visibility. How does your customer think about your solution? What are the common problems that people are usually calling in? And then how do you actually bring back all these insights or pain points, this renewed understanding of your customer? And then you re-plug it into the loop to improve your customer journey. These are some of the KPIs that I can think about.
We can say that actually the metrics are different depending on the use case, but there are general metrics that we can always look into. Cost to outcome that you mentioned, like sensitivity. The last one
is for the support use case, very different, right?